It's taken an army of people to convert this from what was an industrial island.
Having put these rocks in, the lobsters are everywhere.
Coral bleaching and dying off, mainly because of climate change. And there's a chance that we're going to have a healthy colony again. It's pretty awesome.
Something that the world can really look at us and set the example.
It's really important that this works.
When this is all done, I'll be the happiest man on this island.
I'm excited for the transformation.
And I can't wait to see what it's going to be in the future.
Oh, look at the color of the water. It's beautiful.
Those 5,500 guests will have the time of their life.
This is something that has never been done before.